Hold on to your hats, folks. Trump is back, and so is the drama. Donald Trump has won the 2024 presidential election, securing 312 electoral votes and nearly 50% of the popular vote. His administration is already planning strict economic measures, including high tariffs on BRICS nations if they challenge the US dollar's dominance. Meanwhile, a record-breaking snowstorm is wreaking havoc across the nation, disrupting transportation and power systems. And on the international front, diplomatic efforts are ramping up in the Middle East, especially in Syria, amid escalating tensions. Stay tuned for more updates on these critical developments.